In the searing expanse of the Australian interior, survival isn't a matter of luck, it is a masterpiece of strategic adaptation. To witness a red kangaroo at rest is to see a heavyweight champion in a state of calculated repose. To see one in motion is to watch a biological engine that defies the standard laws of energy expenditure. The kangaroo's primary strategy is efficiency. While every other large mammal on Earth burns more fuel the faster it runs, the kangaroo utilizes a bouncing ball physics model. Its massive Achilles tendons act as high-tension springs, storing the energy of one landing to power the next takeoff. This allows it to cover vast, resource-scarce distances at over 50 kilometers per hour without exhausting its oxygen reserves, a mechanical advantage that makes it the ultimate long-distance commuter of the animal kingdom. Beyond movement, its defensive strategy is one of formidable deterrence. A kangaroo does not look for a fight, but it is built to finish one. When threatened, it doesn't merely box, it utilizes a tripod stance, balancing its entire weight on a muscular, bone-dense tail to launch a dual-legged strike. This kick delivers hundreds of pounds of pressure, tipped with a dagger-like claw designed to neutralize predators instantly. Even its reproductive strategy is a marvel of environmental timing. Through embryonic diapause, a female can effectively put the development of a joey on hold during droughts, ensuring life only proceeds when the landscape provides enough water and green shoots to sustain it. The kangaroo is more than an icon, it is a high-performance survivalist. It is a creature that has solved the riddle of the desert through superior suspension, strategic patience, and a defensive capability that commands absolute respect from anything brave enough to cross its path. The kangaroo, powerful jumper of the wild. Kangaroos are among the most recognizable animals in the world, famous for their powerful hind legs, long tails, and unique way of carrying their young in a pouch. Native to Australia, these remarkable marsupials are symbols of strength, survival, and adaptation. In this detailed guide, we will explore the types of kangaroos, their lifestyle, reproduction, strength, and how they survive in the wild. What is a kangaroo? A kangaroo is a marsupial mammal, meaning it gives birth to underdeveloped young that continue growing inside a pouch. Kangaroos belong to the family Macropodidae, which means big foot, perfectly describing their large and powerful hind limbs. They are found mainly in Australia, Tasmania, and nearby islands, living in a wide range of habitats, from grasslands and forests to deserts. Types of kangaroos. There are 4 main types of kangaroos. Red kangaroo. The largest kangaroo species, found in central Australia's dry regions. Males have reddish-brown fur, females are bluish-gray. Can grow over 2 meters tall. Eastern grey kangaroo. Found in eastern Australia, lives in forests and grasslands. Grey-colored fur. Very social and commonly seen. Western grey kangaroo. Found in southern and western Australia. Dark grey or brown fur. Sometimes called the stinker due to strong odor in males. Antilopine kangaroo. Found in northern Australia, named for its antelope-like build. Lives in tropical grasslands. Other related species. Though not true kangaroos, these relatives are closely related: wallabies, tree kangaroos, wallaroos. Kangaroos are built for power and speed. Their hind legs are extremely strong. Used for jumping long distances, up to 9 meters in one leap, they can reach speeds of 70 kilometers per hour. Their tail acts as a third leg for balance, helping support their body when standing. Kangaroos are very strong fighters. They can deliver deadly kicks and use sharp claws on their feet. Known to defend themselves against predators and even humans. Kangaroos live in groups called mobs. A mob can have 10 to over 100 members and is led by a dominant male. They communicate through body posture, sounds like clicks and grunts, and tail movements. Kangaroos are mostly nocturnal, active at night, and rest during the day to avoid heat. They spend their time grazing on grass, resting, and socializing. Kangaroos have a fascinating reproductive system. They can breed throughout the year depending on conditions. Pregnancy is very short, about 30 to 36 days. Usually one baby, a joey, is born per birth. A female can give birth once every year, sometimes more under good conditions. The joey is born extremely tiny, about the size of a jelly bean. It crawls into the mother's pouch immediately. It stays in the pouch for 6 to 8 months and continues to nurse for several months after leaving. Kangaroos have a unique ability. They can pause pregnancy, a process called embryonic diapause. They can also produce different types of milk for different joeys. This helps them survive in harsh environments. Kangaroos are surprisingly powerful animals. They possess muscular legs for jumping and kicking, and a strong tail for balance and support. They also have the ability to fight using both legs. Their fighting style involves standing on their tail, kicking with both hind legs, and using front paws to grab opponents. They can seriously injure predators or rivals. Unlike predators such as lions or wolves, kangaroos are herbivores, plant eaters. Their diet includes grass, leaves, shrubs, and flowers. For feeding behavior, they graze mostly at night. They can survive long periods without water, and efficient digestion helps them extract nutrients. Important note: kangaroos do not hunt prey. They survive by grazing, not hunting. Even though they don't hunt, kangaroos must defend themselves. Predators include dingoes, large birds of prey for young joeys, and humans. Their defense strategies involve powerful kicks, jumping away at high speed, and using water to escape, as they may lure predators into water and kick them. Kangaroos are well adapted to tough environments. For energy efficiency, they use less energy when hopping faster, and their unique movement saves strength. For water conservation, they can survive in dry areas and get moisture from plants. For heat regulation, they lick their forearms to cool down and rest in shade during hot days. Kangaroos play a vital role in nature. They help maintain grassland balance, spread seeds through grazing, and serve as prey for predators. They cannot walk backward. A group is called a mob. Babies are called joeys. They are featured on Australia's national emblem. Can leap higher than 3 meters. Kangaroos are powerful, unique animals that symbolize the wild beauty of Australia. With their incredible jumping ability, strong legs, and fascinating reproduction system, they are perfectly adapted to their environment. Although they do not hunt prey, kangaroos are highly skilled survivors, using speed, strength, and intelligence to avoid danger. Their ability to reproduce efficiently and adapt to harsh conditions ensures their survival in the wild. Understanding kangaroos helps us appreciate the diversity of life on Earth and the importance of protecting wildlife and natural habitats.
Please like, subscribe, and share for more interesting videos.